Hello. So in this video, we are going to see the concept of small multiples in Power BI. So what are small multiples? So small multiples in Power BI let you break down a chart into a grid of smaller similar charts, which makes it easier to compare data across categories. Like we can understand this with an example. Imagine you have a bar chart showing sales by month for a whole year. If you want to see the same monthly sales chart for each region, you can use small multiples. Power BI will then display a mini bar chart for each region side by side, allowing you to see patterns and compare them easily across all regions at once. So it's handy way to spot trends, similarities, or differences within the subsets of your data. So we will look at this concept of small multiples through an example. Here is our example. Small multiples are a way of showing comparison information across two categorical dimensions, saving a bit of space and a lot of time over making individual charts for each combination of factors. In this exercise, we will look at the total order quantities of hoodies and sweatshirts by franchise outlets and compare product color for each clothing gender type for our product manager. And at the end, we'll be answering this question, which gender and product color combination had the highest total orders from franchise channels in 2021? So let's get started. We are in our Power BI desktop. I will rename this page as franchise purchase. Yes. Then we will add a page level filters as we want only the data of the year 2021, and we'll add three page filters, one for the year, one for the retailer channel that we will franchise, and the other filter is for the product categories. We want to see the data only of the product category, that is hoodie and sweaters. Hood and sweaters. Yes. Why am I fumbling so much? Anyways. So let's do this. We'll go in the filters pane. We need to select year. Year is in the order date in the date hierarchy. Let's select year. Yes, we can see we have the year filter. The next filter is the franchise filter, that is the retailer channel. Yes, we have the retail channel. We can see various channels: franchise, local stores, small chain store, and supermarket. And the last filter we need is for the product category. Product category will be in the products table. Yes, product category. One more thing, the data sets and the exercises. The link for the exercises and the data sets is in the description, so do check out. It will be easy to practice for you guys. Yes, we have our filters. Let's add the clustered column chart. So in the visualization pane, we'll select a clustered column chart. Here it is. We need to map this cluster chart by total order quantity by product gender. We want to map it as total order quantity by product gender. So let's select total order quantity. It is here, order quantity. Then we'll select gender, which will be in the products table. Yes, gender. We have it. And we'll and when we scroll down in the visualization pane, we can see the field for small multiples. So in the small multiples, we will add the product color category. Product color category. We can just drag and drop in the small fields. Yes. As we can see here, we have our small multiples chart here. This basically the small multiples are nothing but the blocks that we see for the different colors here, black, blue, gray, brown. We can see the scroll bar to the right hand side of the visual. So there are actually many colors. So to fit all these colors in a single visual, we need to format this visual. So to do this, let's go in the format your visual pane, and we can see the small multiples. Let's click on that, and then we can choose the layout. So we will choose as 4 rows and 3 columns. So 4 rows and 3 columns. Yes. Now it is clearly visible. Almost, yeah, all the colors, all the charts for all the colors are visible now. Let's adjust the filters. Here we have our visual. We can see it is very easy to compare the different color categories of the product. So this is why we use the small multiples. We have formatted our visual. Let's go to our question. Our question is, which gender and product color combination had the highest total orders from franchise channel in the 2021? So we have three options here: green men, lavender women, blue men. So we need to select the filters now. We want the year 2021. We want the retail channel as the franchise and the product category as hoodie and sweatshirts. So then that is sweatshirt, not sweater. Okay, we have hoodie and sweatshirts. Okay, what we can see? We can see that nearly for all the colors, the men. This is the men. Wait a minute. Yes, men. Okay, we can see here men and women labels. So nearly for all the categories, the product for men have the more sell. They have more order quantity. Now we know that the category is definitely men, as men has more order quantity, and we need to identify the color. So color we can see blue, green, and red. Blue, green, and red look uh, quite similar quantity. Let's hover over the chart and we can see for blue color we have 26,782 order quantities. For green we have 16,318, and for red we have 21,297. So clearly the answer is blue men category. Yes, blue men. So men like blue more, it seems. So our answer is blue men, the third option. And we are done.